Welcome to Midas Academy. In this lesson, we'll learn about ratio analysis. It's a way to measure how well a company is doing financially. Let's get started. Ratio analysis helps us understand a company's strengths and weaknesses by looking at its key financial numbers. We'll cover the main ratios used to judge a company's performance. What is ratio analysis? Ratio analysis is a tool used to evaluate the financial performance of a company by comparing relationship between various financial figures, which means ratio analysis is a financial tool that helps in evaluating the company's performance. How? By calculating and interpreting various ratios to assess the financial health of the business. Let's move on to the types of ratio. There are different types of ratios used in ratio analysis. Each ratio analysis focuses on specific areas of a company's financial health. First comes liquidity ratio. Liquidity ratios, like the current and quick ratios, measures a company's ability to meet short-term obligations. And next comes profitability ratios. Profitability ratios such as gross profit margin and net profit margin show how efficiently a company generates a profit. And third comes leverage ratio. Leverage ratios like debt to equity ratio assess a company's long-term financial stability. And lastly, the efficiency ratios like inventory turnover ratio and accounts receivable turnover ratio evaluates how well a company uses its assets. Hope you guys have understood the basics of ratio analysis, and thank you for watching this video. And in the upcoming classes, we will explore each ratio in detail and see how they work in the real world. Stay tuned for more.